morning, class. Today we'll read EVS chapter 6, Clothes We Wear. Come on, take out page number 36. In this chapter, dear, we'll learn about the different kinds of clothes what we wear every day, right? To cover our body, we wear different kinds of clothes which protect us from sun, means heat, cold, rain, right? So, we'll read about it today. We wear different kinds of clothes. But why do we wear clothes? But one thing, tell me student, do you all have thought that why we wear different kinds of clothes? Why we need to do that? Let's read about it. Need of clothes. Clothes cover our body and protect it from heat, cold, dirt and dust. Clothes also make us look smart. We all like to wear fashionable and comfortable clothes. Now, what are the things? Why we need clothes? We need clothes to protect our body. From what? From heat. For example, if it is very sunny outside, okay? If you had not covered your hand, you will feel hot, right? And if you are going out in winter season without wearing anything, without wearing any warm clothes, you will feel cold, right? But when you are wearing jacket or you are wearing any type of woolen coat, you feel warm. So, we need to wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, dirt and dust. If you will go out, if you will see the floor, you will find lots of dust are there, right? And if you will not wear clothes, that dust will stick to our body. So, we need to wear clothes to protect from dirt and dust also. Now, when we wear good clothes, we look smart, right? And everyone in this world like to wear comfortable and fashionable clothes. But tell me students, do we wear the same kind of clothes in all seasons? For example, do you wear cotton clothes in winter also, in rainy season also? Or do you wear jackets in summer season and rainy season also? No, right? In different season, we wear different kinds of clothes. Now, let's read further. Do we wear the same kind of clothes in all seasons? Clothes are made up of different types of materials. Some of the materials are suitable for summer, while some for winter. Different types of clothes are made up of, my dear students, different type of materials. These materials, some are suitable for summer and some are suitable for winter. Means some we can wear in summer and some we can wear in winter. Let's read about these materials and different types of clothes. Come on, page number 37. Let's read further. Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are made of wool. We get wool from the hair of the sheep. It is then spun into yarn. Wool is also knitted to make sweaters, mufflers, caps, etc. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. Have you seen anyone knitting woolen sweater or socks? Hmm? Usually our grandmothers used to knit sweaters for us, right? They are having wool with you, a yarn of wool of different colors, and they knit night sweaters, socks or mufflers for us. Okay, but have you thought, my dear students, from where we get this wool? We get this wool from body hair of the sheep. If you have seen sheep, you must have seen that sheep is having lots of hair in her body. Now these hairs are warm. So what people do? People take this hair of sheep and spoon it into yarn. Right? Now wool is also needed to make sweaters, muffler, as I told you before. And these woolen clothes keep us warm. Means in winter seasons we wear sweaters, right? When we wear sweaters, we don't feel cold. Means it keeps our body warm and protects us from cold. Now let's read further. Cotton clothes. Cotton clothes are very light. They absorb sweat easily and keep us cool in summers. We get cotton from the flowers of cotton plant. Cotton balls are puffed, cleaned and then spun into thread. This thread is then woven into cloth by the weavers. We can make shirts, skirts, pajamas, saris, etc. from the cotton cloth. Now, in winter season, what we wear? Come on, we wear cotton clothes. These clothes are light. Means in last paragraph we have read about woolen clothes. If you'll see woolen clothes, they are heavy, but cotton clothes are light in weight, right? They absorb sweat easily. Means in summer season, because of heat, we feel very hot, and sweat comes out. So these cotton clothes absorb sweat easily, and because they absorb sweat easily, they keep us cool. We don't feel hot. Now have you thought, my dear students, from where this cotton comes from? This cotton comes from cotton plant. There is a cotton plant which is having cotton balls in its flowers, right? Cotton balls are puffed. Then what companies do, what people do, they clean this cotton. Whatever dust or things are stick to it, they clean it and spoon it into the thread. Okay? कॉटन बॉल्स को क्लीन करते हैं और उससे क्या बना देते हैं बेटा? थ्रेड बना देते हैं. Now this thread is then woven into cloth by the weavers. अब जो weavers रहते हैं, है ना, जो कपड़ा बनाते हैं, what they do? They use this thread and wove it into the cloth. They make nice cotton cloths for us. Right? So what we have learned today, beta? Today we have learned why we need clothes. We need clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, dirt and dust. And clothes make us look smart, right? And we have also learned that in different seasons we wear different kinds of clothes. In winter season we wear woolen clothes. Woolen we got from sheep and it keeps our body warm. And in summer we wear cotton clothes. Okay, cotton clothes we get from cotton plant. They are wet and they absorb sweat and keeps our body cool. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed today's lesson, and at home you will read this chapter again. In next class we'll learn about silk clothes, leather items, and natural and man-made fibers. Okay, now I am having one interesting work for you to do. In page number 36, there is given one activity. Try this, and you are going to do this activity in your home. Okay, this is your homework. Take care. God bless you all.